Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of days without any uploads, but I'm back and I'm trying to come through with a video today. I'm not really feeling too well. I've been sick, so you probably can hear it in my voice. So if I'm sniffling or I sneeze and I'm touching my nose and doing this, doing that, that's just because I'm trying to get over this little bug that I have, and I'm just taking it one step at a time. So I'm just like, you know, I need to get up, I need to film something, I need to just really get started. I know you guys probably been waiting for another video, so I'm here with another video today, and I decided to do another makeup tutorial. Let's get started. I've been using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in their pomade, and I have this in the color chocolate. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm using my of course you guys should know this concealer already. I'm doing same concealers I always use on my brows, the Maybelline Infallible Pro Conceal, Full Wear Conceal, whatever. And I just mixed the color Honey and Caramel together to do my brows. So lately I have not been doing any freaking vlogs like lately, and I feel like I need to vlog soon. I haven't vlogged in I don't know how long, and I need to get back into my vlogging videos. Like, seriously. Yeah, I feel like shit. I really feel like shit. Like, I feel so down, but I'm trying to continue to do this video for you all. This is for y'all, okay? I know how much you guys like my makeup tutorials, and you guys like for me to have a consistent upload, regardless if it's a makeup tutorial or whatever it is. You guys like to be consistent, and I like me to and I like for me to be consistent too. You know what I mean? Like, that's the only way to go. Feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyes. Y'all, I'm gonna sound very high and low throughout this video, so I'm just trying to push this thing out. Like, I'm really not feeling well. I did set my eyelids with my Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in the color medium 30, medium deep, and the number is 30. So I'm going to use the Jacklyn Hill palette today, and she has some really pretty colors. I'm late on getting this palette, but that's okay. I'm so crazy. I feel like I'm really crazy from wearing a white shirt with doing makeup, because y'all know, like, y'all should know makeup is messy. Like, I'm using powder and eyeshadow and things like that, so yeah, some get on it well, but I really like this shirt. Like, I really like this shirt a lot, so that's why I'm wearing it today, but I shouldn't be wearing it. I'm using the color Butter from this palette. It's a very neutral shade, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here that I'm taking first as my transition. The next shade I'm taking is this color here. It's called Hunt. It's a pretty like burnt orange type of color, and I'm taking that right over my transition shade. Next, I'm taking this really pretty burgundy color, and this is in the color Jax. Color right here is a pretty like burgundy wine kind of color, so I'm gonna take that, and I'm placing that more into my crease just to get it some more depth. I like how these colors are kind of like coming together. They blend really, really good together. So I'm just taking these. I'm just making sure they all blended. I'm going in with this shade here. It's called Insular. This shade here is a shimmer, and it's giving me like a brownish burgundy. It's like really different. Like, I don't know. But I'm not really good with explaining how colors look when they're like, I don't know. But this is the shade that I'm taking right on my eye. And this color will probably work better when wet. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe mist and just spray my brush a little bit and go back in with the color. Yeah, it works very well when wet. So taking that. I'm going to take the color Little Lady, and it's this color here. This shade right there, that's called Little Lady, and it's like a very blush pinkish color. And I want to take that right on my lid just to pop it out just a little bit more. So just like that. As you guys can see, that made it stand out some more. Foundation that I'm crazy in love with right now is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation, and I have this in 470C. That's my shade. And if you guys have this foundation, let me know how you feel about it, because I love it a lot. Okay, so I'm going to take the same powder that I've been using. I'm using my Maybelline Loose Setting Powder, and this is in medium deep, the number 30. And I'm just going to set my concealer with this powder. I'm going to go ahead and set the remaining of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poorless. This is in the shade Coconut 355, and I'm just taking this where I haven't set my face. I'm going to take that burgundy shade called Jacks that I put on my eyes. I use that as my color that I put in my crease, and I'm just taking that right under my eye. I'm taking my Ruby Kisses Matte Powder Foundation. Now this is a foundation, but I've been using this as a contour. So a lot of you guys should know I've been using this in my recent makeup tutorials, and I love this. I have this in the shade Chestnut. So now since that contour is complete, I'm going to go ahead and take some blush. I've been obsessed with the Saharan. I hate when I can't say shit right. Saharan Blush Volume 2. This is by Juvia's Place. And I love this palette. So far I've used the color Yara and B. I haven't really dabbled into these yet, but I really want to try them. So I don't think these will look really good with the look that I'm going for. So I think I'm just going to take Yara today. I think that's best for the look that I'm going for. So I'm going to take Yara. Yara is like a very neutral blush, which can go for any look. I love this a lot. Now for my lips, you all. For my lips, I have the Ruby Kisses Perfect Precision Lip Liner, and this color is in Bloody Rose. It's a pretty burgundy, like wine-ish color, and that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's like a pretty, it's not too dark. It's kind of like a candy apple red in a way, but I don't know. I told y'all I be trying to describe damn colors and I'm not good at that. So I think I really want to use this today on my lips. And then I really want to use a brown lip liner with this. So I'm trying to figure out which one should I use today. I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the color Vintage. Vintage is almost like a brown, but it has like a, but it's, no, it's not brown, it's burgundy. It's like a burgundy color. That's Vintage right there. So I'm going to try using this to see what it looks like, and then we can go from there. Yeah, this is really cute. I like this a lot. It's really going really well with the eye look that I just did. So it's flowing, y'all. It's flowing. I want to go like right in the middle of my lips, right in the center, with the Ruby Kisses color lip liner that I was just telling you guys about. I want to see how this looks, so let's try it. Ooh, stop it, honey. Like, stop it. She is cute and she is giving, okay? Like, that red is something in the center, so I'm really liking this combination. This is, you can get this from the beauty supply store, you guys. And the NYX you can get from Ulta. This is in the color Vintage, and the Ruby Kisses Perfect Precision Lip Liner is in the color Bloody Rose. So these two together are really pretty. Wow, okay. Now I know you noticed that I haven't did any highlighter. I'm not sure if I really want to do any highlighter with this look. Whew, I think I just want to keep it very matte and, like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if that's what I want to do with this look. Just, do I want to keep it like this? I think I want to keep it like this. Usually if I don't add highlight on my face here, I usually put it on my brow bone right here, on my nose. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit. Like, I'm gonna go like really super light with it, but I don't want to use my Master Chrome highlighter. I think I want to go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. This is their The Warrior palette by Juvia, and it's really pretty golds in here. So I think I want to go in with something like really gold. This one right here is more of a yellow gold. I actually used this on my client the other day, and it was so pretty. It looked very pretty on her brow bone. Like, I thought it wasn't gonna look right, but I actually tried it and it looked really good. So I think I would just want to try this right on my brow bone. Let's see. That's actually really pretty. Okay, so I'm not gonna do my cheeks. I really just don't want to put any highlight there. I just want to leave that alone. So I just added some right here in my brow bone, my little nose area, and my chin. I love putting highlighter on my chin. I don't know why. It's weird. I usually put it in my tear duct. That's like my little signature. I just don't know. It's just like, what if I don't like it? I can't take it off. It's just over with. So I'm just add a little bit. I'm just add a little bit. Boom, just that. I'm not doing anything else. This basically is the entire look. I hope you all really like it. This is giving me a vibe for sure. Everything, of course, will be listed down below. I love you all so much. I hope you all enjoyed this entire makeup look. I'm really obsessed with it. I can't stop looking at myself. I'll see you all in my next video. Love you, baby dolls, so much. Mwah.